Hey everybody, this is Jessica Lynn from Jessica Lynn Original Studios at JessicaLynnOriginal.com. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. If you are brand new here, welcome. If you are returning, welcome as well. So I am an artist and I have a studio where I love to take trips and I love to paint and art and sculpt, and I own a rubber stamp company which is at the JessicaLynnOriginal.com website. I love to make cards. I like to paper craft. Literally, if it has anything to do with being creative, I am completely in, which is why I'm changing the name to Studios. So today I decided that I needed to make a card. I just felt compelled to make a card, and I looked at the calendar and realized, oh my gosh, it's already July. What? How is it already July? I have no idea. And I wanted to go ahead and the last video, one of the last videos I made this really cute set of Disney cards, and it's from the Planner Girl Elena set, and I'll put the link down below to the digital store on Etsy. I love her stuff. It's so adorable. And so I downloaded a Christmas one. I thought, you know what, let's go Christmas in July. And I just love it. It's one of my favorite little digi sets. I think it's so cute. And we're going to go ahead and color it in. I got out my Copics and I love it. If you've never used a digital stamp before, I will put down below a link to, you know what, actually I'll pop it up in the upper right hand corner right about here. So you should see a little like letter I. Go ahead and click on that and it'll take you to how to use a digital stamp in case you've never used that before. But they're super fun. Basically, you download them, print them on a sheet of paper. I have a lot of people that tell me, oh, my digitals bleed. I would encourage you to get a laser printer or a small, like I have a little Oki. And we joke in the IT world that they're just okie dokie. They're not bad. They're just okay. But the other option would be to send your stuff to Kinko's or to a printing company, and they can professionally print it on a heavier cardstock for you. And typically it doesn't cost that much. So we're going to go ahead and color this all in, and she's such a cute, I love her little illustrations. And I wanted to make this like a little elfy kind of person, so they're wearing like, you know, the traditional, you know, red Santa type hat with the whole bit. And I will give her little green pants. We're going to color it all in, and then once it's done, we're just going to make a super simple card. I mean, we are talking, most of what our time is spent on today was coloring, which is fun. You know, it kind of reminds me of a middle ground between an adult coloring book and paper crafting, right? So we're going to go ahead and color this all in, and then when I'm done, I'm going to fussy cut it out rather than using the Brother Scan and Cut. Even though that is one of my favorites to use, I do want to show that you don't have to own one. You know, I mean, a lot of people will watch my videos and say, oh, I don't have one of those. It's okay. You know, you can cut them out with scissors, and there's nothing wrong with that. So I'm going to go ahead, color her all in, and then we'll just make our super simple card. Well, as we're getting this all colored in, I just want to remind you, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And if you feel compelled, don't forget we also offer a digital stamp club of the month. We also do a Disney club, where if you want to support the channel, you can do that with a monthly donation. And you don't have to do that every single month. You could do it for 1 month and stop. You could do it for multiple months. Completely up to you. If you are a business and you want us to feature you on our channel, go ahead and take a look at those options as well, because I would love to join forces with you to, get you some more people visiting your website, as well as some people enjoying our videos. So all of the money goes to support our channel, purchase markers, stamps, etc. I love featuring companies. Now, I purchase these myself, but if you would like me to feature your stamps, if you're a stamp company, go ahead and just toss me a message, and I would love to work with you. Obviously, I have my own company as well, but I really believe in small business, and I believe in, trying to help each other. I am just, it's one of those that I feel that sharing more than just my company is so important right now. Small business is struggling, and I absolutely love being a member of small business, so don't be afraid to reach out. So we're going to get this all colored and shadowed, and it's just about done. I'm really happy with the way it looks. It's super cute, and I took a glitter pen and I colored in the sunglasses, so they almost look like they were kind of like she's incognito. Even though she's not. I mean, her outfit's pretty bold, but I tried to make her glasses, kind of incognito, which is fun. The other thing I thought about doing was on the glasses, just making them regular glasses and using the glossy accents so that they would have that little bit of a shine, like regular eyeglasses. So here she is. You saw how quickly I fussy cut. It probably would have taken me more time to actually pull out the Brother Scan and Cut for this one. So once we've got it all set, you can see that beautiful red stain from my Copic on my pointer finger on the right hand there. Just going to go ahead and put down some fun stripey paper. Little glue on the back. I do love the foam risers, but if I'm mailing this, I don't like to use a lot of foam risers. Don't forget, sign the back of your card. And then for fun, I thought, I don't usually put sentiments inside, and I didn't print out a sentiment, so I thought, I am just going to show you. This is truly my handwriting. I write like this all the time. I love embellishing that, so it's so cute, little berries. And then I think I'll color it in just so it has a little bit more. So cute. When I was younger, I actually sat down because somebody said left-handers never can write nice, and I said that's a lie. And so I actually spent, oh my gosh, as a kid, probably months where I would sit and rewrite my handwriting until I fell in love with the letters I created. And I made them almost like my own handwriting font of my own. And I taught my brain how to go, that's what those letters look like. So much fun. This card is so cute, super quick and easy. And again, she is encouraging you to use these for like planners or for other things. I think they make really cute cards too. Like I love her work. I think it is so cute. There's my little Merry Christmas handwritten. And let's just flip this over. Boom, signature on the back. Always sign your cards. So I just want to say thank you so much. I am so excited. If anybody was watching Twitter and Instagram today, the Behind the Cards Season 2 is coming back. Life has finally gotten to a point where I am ready to go ahead and dedicate to that. Couple of changes coming. Hoping some old guests will come back. But I'm so excited. Be sure to take a look at our Instagram. Don't forget to subscribe. Click on that little owl. We'll see you again soon. Take care.